catch you now. Oh my gosh. It's doing it right now. Oh my gosh. Look how much I can see it better. Oh my goodness. It's really doing it. Oh my gosh. Wow, Texan's done such a good one. And that's so cool. I'm catching it on there. Yes. Whoopsies. Sorry. See, it's changing right now. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Isn't it so cool? I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for this for 4 years. 4 years. Now you have it. See, it's changing right now.
I can just see through the camera.
Yeah. That's so cool. Look at it. Look at the camera. You can see it better on the camera.
Now everyone's just going to look at the camera.
There it goes. It's wiggling. Isn't that so cool, Noah?
This already took 1 minute.
Yeah, isn't that cool though? Look at his face. Because he's trying to get all settled in there.
Almost 2 minutes.
It's like caterpillar gymnastics. There he goes.
What, he did it in 2 minutes. Oh my goodness. That's what Charlie's was doing. He's like dancing.
Look at that. He's trying to get the exoskeleton off. It's too tight in there.
Yeah,
see the exoskeleton come out the top?
It's too tight for him.
So he's trying to get rid of that. Oh,
Jeez. It's like dancing. It looks like he's doing it for a brain break. You can dance for it.